particle moves from position 3 I cap plus j cap minus 6k cap to a position 14 I cap plus 13 j cap plus 9k cap in meter units, and a constant force 4 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 3k cap Newton acts on it. Calculate the work done by the force. Now here a simple concept of work done is required, wherein the work done is related with force and its displacement of the object because of the action of this force is given by F dot S. Okay, let us say this force F was acting in this direction and the body got displaced from this point to this point with displacement vector this, and let's say this is the angle theta. Then the work done will be given by Fs cos theta. This is one way. Now in this case we are given force vector and displacement vector in indirect fashion, that too in rectangular coordinate form. So now let's look at the problem from the perspective of, from the frame of reference, which is Cartesian coordinate system. Let's say this is origin O, X, this is Y, and let's say this is Z. So a particle from this point moves to this point. Its position vector R1 is there, then R2 is this one. Okay, so the displacement will be given by R2 minus R1, and some force was acting on this. Let's say this is the force F. Now we have to find out F dot S, which is equal to F dot R2 minus R1. Okay, now let's write down what is R1 and what is R2. R1 is given by 3 I cap plus j cap minus 6k cap. R2 is given by 14 I cap, 13 j cap plus 9 k cap. So R2 minus R1 will be given by 14 minus 3 I cap plus 13 minus 1 j cap plus 9 minus of minus 6 is 9 plus 6 k cap. So the displacement vector will be given by 11 I cap plus 11 j cap plus 15 k cap, and the force vector is given as 4 I cap 2 j cap plus 3 k cap. Okay, now we have to find out the work done. Work done is a scalar quantity, and F dot S, if we do, this will be 4 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap dot product with S vector, which is 11 I cap plus 11 j cap plus 15 k cap. Okay, now when you do the dot product, when the vectors are given in the rectangular coordinate form, so we just need to multiply the coefficients of the unit vectors, respective unit vectors. So I cap in both the vectors, the coefficient are 4 and 11, so it will be 44 plus 2 into 11, that is 22, and 3 into 15 is 45. Now if you calculate this value will be equal to 111 and the unit will be joules. So this is the amount of work done.